You sit right inside of this place. Take. Good job, baby girl. Whoop, whoop. My baby girl. Good. Zebi, she was going to do this part with me. Grabbed my sellotape to much more older than my daughter. Trust me, it's going to be lots and lots of. Hey guys, it's Father's Day in a bit, 2 days from now, and I'm trying to make my daughter responsible. So she's going to be gifting her daddy a DIY, gift. One of the things I have told myself I'm going to do is that I'm going to be gifting my children the gift of memories. You will see how intentional I am about gifting. I'm sure she'll be wild, like, oh, I was just 1 year and 4 months and I gifted my dad this, and this is his reaction. I don't know his reaction, we'll see it. Oh, I hope my face is not cut out. Okay, so I'm trying to prep. I got a poster, a watercolor, and I think it's skin friendly for her. She's trying to drag it from me. I'm going to be using a pen, a gum. I think it's also skin friendly so that it doesn't have any effect on her. She's still very little. Yeah, I got a cardboard. So I'm really excited for us to go on this journey together. Oh, what else again? Okay, this is her plate from one of her toys where she does this imaginary feeding. There are a lot of fruits here and she feeds with a spoon, of course. So yeah, today we're going to be borrowing the plate to do our DIY. So hi baby, I think she's excited because she keeps grabbing everything from me here. I think I'm excited too. So let's go. Yep. Where's this put? Mama, you sit here. I need to get water. So I have to get water inside here. Can you see it? I hope you can. You sit right inside of this place. Are you ready? You trashed it. We're gonna be using it, girl. We're gonna be using it. Cora, say hi to your people, your fans. Cora, say hi. Hi. She's not showing you. You said hi. Okay. I hope you guys caught the warm hi from my baby girl. Okay, first thing first. I don't know. I think I'm going to be bending for the most part, right? Kai, that's sad. I think I would draw this and show you guys when I do that. So, Mama, is she going to allow me? Okay, let me help you. I'll help you. I'm just going to, it's not going to be like something very perfect. So the idea is I'm trying to draw a tree. Okay, so let me hold your hand. Let me hold your hand, Mama. You're going to be patient if you want us to do this. Okay, I'm going to do this off camera because she's not going to allow me. What was I thinking? Okay, Mama, play with this while I come. Where is the pen? Okay guys, so I've just drawn this. So yeah, again, I told you I'm not looking for something really very perfect. Girl, she's not even up to 2 years old, so be ready. You're going to paint it. We're going to be using brown. I guess brown is a bit of a tree like wood now. So it's not writing. So what she's trying to do that, I'm sure she's wondering why it's not writing. Mama, it's going to write now. I'm going to do something. So put your hand here. Of course, again, I expect it to be really, really, really messy. And that's the reason why. You see what I'll do at the end. Dip it inside this water. Then I'll dip it here. Oh, you see it? Okay, so you paint it. Oh my God, just painting it. Continue, my love. Just continue. You're going to keep on doing this, my baby. Yeah, paint this place. Good job, my baby. Clap for yourself. Good job. Woo! Good. Cora, will you paint? Yeah, take. Yeah, you did it! You did it! You know, mine, she's clapping for herself. You did it! So let's show them the final outcome. Yo girl, why is he looking like this? I'm going to do green right now. Alright, see, this is green. 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 Okay, can you use your hand? Maybe she would love to use her hand. I don't know. Green. Put your hand here. Oops. What's up? Yeah. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. You did it. Yeah, Cora, touch your green. Green. Why is this girl confused? Do you want to use the brush or you want to use your hand? Okay. I should not hold you. Green. Yay! I did it. So for me to make it easier, I'm going to fold it. By God's grace, we have done this. So I'm going to fold it like this. Just, oh my God, you just trash this thing. I'm going to fold it like this so that, you know, here is preserved, so to speak. Then we'll paint the rest of this place green. Wow! My baby. Yeah, put your hand inside the water. Good job. Now you're going to touch green. Green. Now you're going to paint it. Wow, Cora did it. While she's looking at her hand and trying to understand why she has different stains and colors. I hope you're not going to lick it. Let me show you guys what we've been able to come up with. Our tree. So remember the line I used, the pen I used earlier, right? I'm going to scissors it and trim it out, so to speak. Then we will finally glue. Yeah, so let's do that. You guys, did we try? Cora, baby, you're going to dip your hand in the red and draw something like some red fruit. So, Cora, red. Cora, say red. They're going to do red. Boop, boop, boop. Yay! Right, baby? Boop, boop, boop. My baby girl. Boop, boop. My baby girl. Good job! So, we did it. You guys will not believe that this girl slept off on me. Anyway, she was even going to stress me, say if she was going to do this part with me. So yeah, we finished with the tree and it was time to glue. You guys, I used a gift box from one gift from a very long time, and yeah, it came in handy. So I just used the gum and pasted on it, and of course I started writing what I believe is in my daughter's head. Cora, can you allow me to do this voiceover? Okay, so after that, I now, grabbed my sellotape to sellotape it round. This was a bit tricky, but yeah, I did it. And I think that's basically it. So if you want to try out doing a DIY like this, I don't think it will be a difficult task for you at all, especially if you even have your children much more older than my daughter. Trust me, it's going to be lots and lots of fun. Yeah, so that's it. So you guys, I just completed it. Like, I just helped her to, put a sellotape just so that it doesn't ruin quickly. At least I'm very sure that it will still be alive till she can read, and hopefully she knows how to read 4 years, 5 years, because the words here are not long, like they are very, very simple words. So let's read it. Dada, I made this tree for you so that you will know that no matter how much I grow, I will always love you. Thank you for being the best dad in the whole wide world. Does it sound like her voice? Tell me. Love you, big. Cora 2024. So yeah, I'm going to be posting the clip of her dad's reaction. So let me know in the comment section. Do you have a toddler younger than 2 years old? What thoughtful gift did you create with them for their dad? Rate my daughter's artwork. Like, this was really hard, right? It was hard. So I'll leave you to watch the video of how she was able to. Now I'm saying this again, Sonny. I'll leave you to watch the video of how she presented a gift to her dada, and well, if you were shocked, excited, or let's see.
You guys, we are running late for church, and our father was trying to hurry up with his meal. He didn't even understand what Cora was bringing towards his direction. He just wanted to grab it and just, keep it somewhere so that he can focus. But yeah, I told him, guy, look at it.
That really daddy. I always love you. Thank you for being the best dad. Come on, baby. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Woo. See how you make for me. It's kind of 3 seconds. Can I see the three you made for
It's
me?
Cora that drew it too.
That's
I'll
so-
show you the video. I'll show
Are you
you now.
serious? Can I do this for me?
Someone that is focused on her phone.
Thank you. Thank you.